This is how you edit your TikTok caption after you've already uploaded the video. Real quick, subscribe to this channel if you want tips and tricks like this for TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. I continually try to bring you videos that's going to help you grow your platform. So we're going to dive straight into it. Before, you couldn't edit your caption or your description, but now they've recently rolled it out to where you can. Let me show you what to do. Open up TikTok. Now this is my platform right here, and I recently just posted this video right here.
I don't argue with people no more, man. I don't argue with nobody,
about
bro.
1 hour ago.
I just don't. And let me tell you something. The reason why I don't argue with
dots
people,
on the bottom
you ever
right,
been in an argument with somebody and it is clear cut and dry that they are wrong,
it's not
they are incorrect,
visual right
and the
there.
thing that
It's
they
not
said to you, they
right
shouldn't have
there.
said. The thing
But
that they
scroll
did, they
to
shouldn't
your
have done,
right.
and they owe you an
As you
apology
keep
at the end of the
scrolling to
day.
your right,
But they
boom, it
flip it
says
and
edit
reverse it
post right
and bring
there.
up some old stuff.
Click on edit post. It literally just brings it up as if nothing ever happened and we were never searching for it ever. You know, it's like it always existed. Go ahead and I'll just go ahead and put the word update, and then I'll add a new hashtag, and I'll put FYP. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and click on done. It's gonna ask you to save it on the bottom. Now it says you can edit your description and cover once a day. Edits can be made within 7 days of posting. So that tells you right there that there are limitations. You can only edit once a day, and you can only edit within the first 7 days of posting the video. So after 7 days, it's a wrap. You can forget it. Now, I know why they do this. They do this because they want to make sure that, you know, you're not editing the true content that it originally was when you posted it. However, Facebook lets you do it. Instagram lets you do it, you know, but I guess TikTok is holding on to it. They said, okay, you know what? We've heard your questions and concerns. We're now going to let you edit, but once a day, and it has to be within the first 7 days. After that, you're not going to do it. So, hey, hopefully you got that, but let's just go ahead and try to edit it one more time just to see what it says. Click on those dots, scroll over, and we are going to hit edit, and guess what? It is grayed out. Previous edits under review. So they're also reviewing what you just edited. You know, so if you're saying something for politics or something that's, you know, possibly true, not true, you know, could be some legal stuff going on, or putting fake news out there, we're going to review what you edited. So hey, just FYI, that's how you do it. Hopefully this helped you out. Go ahead, edit those posts, but it's probably on the ones you do from now going forward. That's another thing. Videos that you make as of today going forward. Probably not the videos in the past, but try it. Actually, you know what? Let me go see myself. I'll go see. Let me go to one of my past videos. All right, I'm glad I mentioned that. So let's go here, go to edit. It's grayed out. Let's even go to one more recent right here. 3 dots, go over, grayed out. So yeah, it just rolled out literally a few days ago, maybe a week ago. All right, hey, subscribe to this channel. I will see you on the next video. Let me know if you have any questions, concerns, or what type of videos do you want to see on this channel. I'm gonna be looking at the comments. Tell me, you know, what kind of video I can make that you're looking for and you can't find. Or maybe someone already did, but they didn't go into detail. See you soon.